Hey guys, today I am going to show you how to do a waterfall braid into a mermaid braid. So to get started, I just did one waterfall braid on this side, and now we're going to do one on the other side. If you don't know how to waterfall braid, I have another video for that below. So you're going to start by taking the two pieces from both sides of the braids and splitting those out of those two pieces, split them into three, and just do one stitch of a braid. Then on the left side, you're going to take this waterfall piece that fell through and add it into the left side and cross it over. Then on the right side, take that last waterfall piece that fell through and cross it over. Then on the left, take a piece and add it into the left side and cross it. Then the right, take the piece and add it in. The left, do the same thing. And just keep doing this all the way down till you run out of your waterfall pieces. And once you reach your last waterfall piece, just do a braid down to the end. And tie off the end of it. And then when you let go, so here's what the finished look is. So you have your waterfall braids on the side, and then pulling back into the braid and going down, and same on the other side. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.
Don't forget to go watch my last week's video of the lace fishtail and to follow me on Instagram at glamourhair2000. I'll see you next time. Bye.